Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on least square approximation. So it says, as an application of least square, select a straight line which is best fit for the data. The data given is 0, 6, 1, 0 and 2, 0. So we need to find a straight line. Of course we'll see that there is no such straight line which will simultaneously uh, which will simultaneously satisfy all these points, but we will have to get as closest as possible to a straight line which will be satisfying all these points. So let's say let the straight line B is equal to A plus CT. A plus CT. So this means that at all these points, let's say t equal to 0, t equal to 1 and t equal to 2, we need this line A plus CT for all these cases to give the solution B as 6, B as 0 and B as 0. So if you take it as a take it in a matrix form, we will have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 2 times of A, C giving 6, 0 and 0. Right? This is nothing but it is like the matrix A x is equal to B. If it is confusing, we can change this variable to some other term. Let's say P and Q. P plus QT, P plus QT and PQ. Right? So basically we are forming a matrix which is supposed to satisfy this. Now we'll see that if you check the properties we have used in linear algebra, we will see that there is no such solution which will satisfy this equation or this matrix we have formed. Right? So this is basically coming from, where are these points coming from? P plus QT. So P plus QT in this sense will become P. So P can be taken as a constant, so this becomes P plus 0 times of T, or I'll say Q times of 0 times of Q, 0 times of Q. This becomes P plus 1 times of Q, and this becomes P plus 2 times of right? So it has to satisfy that B is equal to 6, 0 and 0. So what we can do it is, now that we have Ax is equal to B and we know that it is inconsistent. Yes, you can check this by the properties and things we have learned in linear algebra, that the system is going to be inconsistent. Now in order to find the least square solution for this, what we have to do is we have to form A transpose Ax is equal to A transpose into B. That is the normal equation we are trying to form. So what is A transpose? A transpose is going to be 1 0 1 1 1 2 into 1 1 1 0 1 2 times of PQ, giving, so A transpose is 1 1 1 0 1 2 times of 6 0 0. This becomes 3 and 3 3 5 times of PQ is equal to 6 0. So now we have this Ax equal to B, and we have to, like the new one, normal equation, in the sense of normal equation. Now we have to solve for P and Q. So we can solve this, we can apply triangular form or any other methods we have to, and we can see directly also, like if you try to, like in sense if you want to reduce it, you just do rho 2 is equal to rho 2 minus rho 1. Right, in this case you will get your solution. So rho 2 minus rho 1 will give 3 3 0 5 minus 3 2. This will be PQ, and this will become 6 and minus 6. Now we have to solve this, and we can solve this by back substitution from the last equation. We will get 2 times of Q equal to minus 6, so this gives Q equal to minus 3, and from the first row we will get 3 times of P plus 3 times of Q equal to 6. Now we can substitute this Q here and we'll get P is equal to 5. So the least square solution we are looking for is PQ will be 5 and minus 3. So this is what we are looking for. That means the straight line we are looking for is going to be 5 minus 3t equal to B. Right, this is the line we can form which will satisfy these 3 points at its best.